Naniniwala ba kayo na 50 years lang ang lifespan ng kondo? This is one of the most frequently discussed topics sa mundo ng real estate. Though this topic has been explained many times by professionals all over social platforms, marami pa rin ang confused, hesitant, and misinformed. Some people believe that after 50 years, you have to return the unit to the developer, the building will be demolished, and you will not be able to pass it on to your children. Pero ano nga ba ang totoo? Para sa mga hindi pa familiar, may dalawang klase ng condo ownership sa Pilipinas. Meron tayong freehold at leasehold. Unahin natin ang leasehold. According to Article 1687 of the Civil Code, the maximum lease term for private land is 50 years and it may be renewed for another 25 years subject to the agreement of both parties. Sa madaling salita, uupahan ni developer yung private land for a fixed number of years. At dahil hindi sa kanila yung lupa, lahat ng units na itatayo sa development ay technically may expiration ang right of use. In short, ang binili mo lang ay right to occupy for a fixed term, not full ownership. And your right to use the unit is only good for as long as the lease agreement is valid. Siyempre, wala ka rin karapatan sa lupa once the lease expires. Although leasehold condos are very rare. Usually, may kita mo lang to sa mga reclaimed areas or government-owned land like CCP Complex, Clark Freeport Zone, and Newport City. Now, freehold ownership on the other hand is different. Ito yung pinaka-common sa Pilipinas lalo na sa mga regular residential condos. Sa freehold setup, si developer ang original na may-ari ng lupa. Then it will be titled under the name of the condominium corporation once the project is turned over or ready for operation. So when you buy a condo unit, you also get the share of the land and common areas under the Condominium Act RA 4726. Meaning, isa ka sa co-owner o shareholder nung lupa. Ang freehold condo walang expiration, meaning permanent o perpetual ang ownership dito. And sa freehold, pwede mong parentahan yung unit, ibenta, gawing collateral, or ipamana. And you can maximize its value for more than 50 years. Ngayon, saan ba galing yung idea na 50 years lang ang condo? Actually, it's a misunderstood provision from Section 8 of RA 4726 or the Condominium Act of the Philippines, which I'll explain in the part 2 of this video.